Hello and what's up guys? Welcome to Wishlist project YouTube vlog. So today in this video it's just a normal vlog lah. While I'm driving the R34. What's the topic of this video? I also don't know. I received a comment that people say it's not a Godzilla for this car. Okay, basically the truth is this is not a Godzilla. Actually, this really is not a Godzilla. For Skyline, the Godzilla category is start from the R32, which is the GTR, and then for the GTR 34 it counts as Godzilla because it's like a Honda. They got a normal version and also Type R version. It's like a Honda FL5 compared to Honda FE like this. But nowadays people who driving the GTT, or we call it ER34, GTT 34 and ER34, is not a GTR but it's also a GTR. It's not a GTR. A lot of people using a GTT to convert into GTR, which is how they convert is still not a GTR. That's correct. But you all must understand, GTR nowadays is not that cheap. It's fucking expensive. For Malaysia price, spikes up to the most lowest is 550k until 800k. Depends on the condition. But you all must understand, a lot of GTT, they convert to GTR, GTT 34 or ER34. They convert to GTR. We use a lot of effort. That's why I want to tell you all guys why I purchased a GTT instead of GTR. The first thing is, if you're buying a GTR right now, GTR 34 at Malaysia, most of the GTR is already no need to do everything. You no need to modify. They already restoration, original seat, the MSD, got the meter, like a Paul Walker for the GTR, right? And then for the engine, you don't need to do anything because for GTR 34, usually they don't go and convert the engine. It's already a RB26 with built-in twin turbo. Most of them is just upgrade to Nismo parts, Nismo intake. But by the way, it's already a twin turbo and then individual throttle body, 6 throttle, 4 wheel, and then 6 speed. So there's nothing much you can modify except if your hand really itchy, want to do this, do that, upgrade horsepower, changing big turbos. That's why we are choosing ER34, or we call it the GTT 34. Most of the Malaysia they call it GTT. For the GTT chassis number actually is ER34. Wait, let me change angle. More nicer. YouTube vlog. Okay, and there are a lot of ER34 at Malaysia that already restore. The price is also spiked up until 280k to 350k. Like for my one, I bought it cheap because it's a little bit teruk lah. Teruk. Malay we call it, Malay language we call it teruk lah. Agak teruk sikit lah. Okay. But the problem I buy this car instead of I buying the expensive one is because I don't use all the parts. Example like the body, the bumper, everything. Why I gonna buy a nice condition since the engine, the whole engine I gonna rebuild. The rebuild kit is I'm gonna following with my friend. He teach me from Japan, Homei. His name is Ota. The previous video as I can show you right here, I got record him before when Tokyo Auto Saloon that time. He is one of my Japanese friend from Tomei. So for the spec, the engine spec, we are targeting on RB28 and then big turbo, AR70 maybe. And then the cam, he recommend we don't use too high lift, the pond cam. It's because street driving. Okay, so you want street and you still want fast. So there are a lot of modification. There are a lot of cara you all can modify for street driving. Okay, wait. Thanks for support my t-shirt wishlist project. By the way, it's not Skyline, it's RX7. And another one is a FL5, white color. I'm gonna post t-shirt. Wait. Sorry for keep you waiting. Okay, let's continue. So my friend told me, Ota-san, it depends on you are driving for street or you are going for track. So if you're daily driving, we no need to go so higher cam. It's not suitable for street, very hard. And then we are targeting for around 500 to 700 horsepower, depends on the turbo. See, the piston can stand for so high horsepower. I think there's no problem. Wait, we change another angle. By the way, in these videos I'm recording with Insta360 Go Ultra. So that's why we don't need a RB26 and also a GTR 34. So basically, if you do everything for this car, even though it's a still 5-speed, the gearbox, and also it's only a rear view, not 4-wheel, not over than 1000 horsepower. Actually, it's also very fast already. We can declare it is more than Godzilla already. It's like a... So buy coconut for my wife. She gonna give birth already. Need to drink coconut water every day. So let's continue. You can say, for me, my own self, my declare, you can say more powerful than Godzilla. Even though it's not a Godzilla, but we can make it like a Transformers already. But never mind, I don't blame all the people that saying GTT is not a Godzilla. It's true, it's not Godzilla. But like your car lah, your car. Every people car, they got their own name. You want name this car like you are driving a Xiao Huang. Your car is red color. Then you name your car Xiao Huang, Xiao Hong. Xiao Hong. Sorry, not Xiao Huang. Xiao Hong. Xiao Hong is small red, little red. Chinese people like to like this lah. And if your car is yellow color, I name my car Xiao Huang. So I can name my car even Godzilla or Papaya or anything. Because this color, yellow color, maybe name Papaya or orange, a little orange. Anything. It's your car. But never mind, it's true. Okay, it's not a Godzilla. Never mind. But I try to make it more powerful than Godzilla. I try my best. So stay tuned for my YouTube channel. I think and see. There are more updates every week maybe for this car. Because today, I'm still waiting for my things arrive. Not so fast. If you want to order things from Japan directly, you need to wait at least total 1 month plus minus. Because of the container, the shipment, and then sometimes the stock from the Japan side, from the G-Ready Tomei company, they still need to find their stock. And then day by day like this, wait, and then you reply them, they reply you per day by day, they need to find, and then you need to add on things some more. They need to ship to the warehouse, and then like this, like that, and then the warehouse need to prepare to ship to Malaysia, everything, and then arranging all these things. It's over than 1 month sometimes. And then I still need to take out the whole engine at Win Motorsport. My friend Alun, okay, he helped me to remake all the wiring. Because the previous owner, not the previous owner, the previous owner, this car is already built in Haltech Sport 2000. But the Haltech Sport 2000, they make it very cheap, very stupid. Which is, they still using the original ECU. They tap it, the Haltech, they tap into the original ECU. So there's still the airbag sensor, all these sensor pop up, okay? And then the ABS still didn't take out. Usually if standalone, we just directly no use the ABS, is directly standalone. No ABS for this car anymore. There are 2 pairs of wiring inside this car, so it looks very messy. I seldom show you all the engine bay because it's not nice. Okay, so last time this car is white color original, and then they painted the blue color, and then they changed to yellow color. And then last time they got a Z-Tune body kit. It's like it's already a GTR body kit. Then when they sell to my previous owner, this one become yellow color, everything standard. They changed back the GTT bumper, and then the wing also problem. So I think you all guys also know what am I gonna do for the body kit already. You all try to comment below. I no need to say, okay, even though I want to try to keep it secret, but you all also know what bumper. I think if you all got follow my Instagram and follow me all this while, maybe even though it's a lot of GTR, GTT, Skyline at Malaysia, I want to try to make it different. Sorry, pecah tak ada. Even though for my Skyline right now is quite chan than everyone Okay, terima kasih. Thank you. See, even the window. Alamak. It's okay, never mind. But trust me guys, I try to make this car different, special. I try to rebuild, I try to restore it. All this while, you saw my video I'm driving is quite lucky, okay, because I didn't kena tangkap with police, because it's still haram. The retention, everything still didn't done. Only today officially the number plate come out at my apps right here. Now you need to refresh my JPJ apps. If not Malaysian people watching these videos, I want to tell you all, nowadays we don't use the road tags, the sticker, don't have, we all use digital. Okay, finally I get my number plate, Betting Ape 34. Okay, never mind guys, I'm changing the view. Show you a little bit of my car. Recently, this is the new Ionon Android double DIN. I really recommend you all JDM if you intend to change a Android player. See, connection very fast, it's already connected. You can watch YouTube, everything, Netflix, Waze. Like currently I try to search for my friend's shop, Win Motorsport. Very fast.
Dah bersedia? Saya
There.
sudah. Jom.
One thing good, the previous owner they put in the old type of the very big amplifier. So with this Android player, Yonon is already built-in DSP, and then it still can support the speaker. And I just changed the speaker, 2 front, 2 back, straight wire into this player right here. Perfect. The quality, the sound. This JDM car, you no need to listen to all those bass. The speaker is also enough already, and then got all those function. There. It's working. The waist is working. Okay, so sometimes when you're really boring, you can straight use a YouTube to play your song. Then another most important thing is dashcam. Okay, this dashcam is a DDPi Z60 Pro version, so it's a front facing as well. You can see your own self. Like right now, I try to show you all. This is the footage, front, back, and selfie mode. Special, right? So it's very useful. And then for the Pro version, it's a HDR, very HDR. At night, you also no need to worry about it's too dark. Okay, it can capture very detailed. Number plate, everything you can capture very detailed. So other than that is I'm changing the short shifter, Tome short shifter, and steering wheel, starter pack, everything tinted, new tinted. So the seat is still on the way, shipping. I'm putting the bright collab with G-Ready Euroster. The boosting for this car right now, the horsepower is very low. I think not over than 200. It's only 180 horsepower. Even it's a 2.5cc. And then the boosting, I think is only 0.5 bar or 0.6 bar only. See this G-Ready turbo meter.
800 meter. Belok kiri.
Not even 0.5. Okay, not even 0.5 bar. So for the MSD, this is a GTT. GTR, they got the MSD. GTT got 3 meter right here. So I already purchased the MSD cover, and I'm gonna put in the Haltech IC7 display right here, which is that day I got do a short story at my Instagram. The Haltech IC7, 4,000 something ringgit Malaysia, almost 5,000, no tax until my house. But the cover 1,000 ringgit something, I kena tax for around 600 ringgit. Really, 屌你妈妈上下左右 Chinese say. Okay. Wait, I gonna go do something. Okay guys, so now I gonna go to do my key. Okay, one I gonna give to Win Motorsport because he driving Skyline as well. One is for my own self. Okay, so I try to buy more. Who want can PM me. Whoever who drive Skyline, if you want can try PM me. Okay, Nismo key. Okay, let's clone. Let's go and clone the key. Hi. Unfortunately, keep vlog with you all. 迟一步lambat 1 saat. Close shop already. Never mind, next time. It's okay, next time. So basically, this video is just a vlogging, sembang. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to Win Motorsport and give him the key. Free 1 key for him. Let's go. Let's try to boost one time and see. HKS blow off SQV. Please do not test drive a Skyline, especially 6-cylinder car lah, inline 6. Once you drive a 6-cylinder, you never want to go back to 4-cylinder or EV. No lah, just kidding with you all guys lah. But anyhow, by the way, 6-cylinder, the feeling is really different, totally different. The sound. Okay, let's go find Win Motorsport right now. Oi, give him a little bit of souvenir. Nice Nismo. Nah boss. Cantik
ขอบคุณครับ
Cantik
สวย
Insta360 Go Ultra. How's the footage? You all guys think can use this camera as vlogging camera or not? I think should be no problem. And no need mic everything. Okay guys, Malaysia is now very hot, very hot. So see the sun, sky. So eat many water, stay vibrate, and don't forget to support my t-shirt wishlist project. Wait, I show you all this t-shirt. By the way, it's not a Skyline, it's a RX-7, and still got one is FL5. And also this cap, wishlist project cap. Remember, very hot sunny day. Eat many water and stay vibrate. So guys, you all tell me, why should I buy a already fully convert and expensive ER34? Since I'm gonna change everything, I'm gonna change the bumper, the side skirt, the fender, the bonnet, the wing, the back bumper, everything I need to change. But I already buy the rubber, all this rubber, all these things, Nismo I got, and all this inside this rubber, this Skyline Nismo, this side stay, and still got a lot of kiki kokok parts. A lot of Skyline, the door, it won't cut like this. It's because of this hinge. This hinge I also got already, and then inside the window got problem, the mechanism I also buy already, but still not yet reached. Other than that, just stay tuned. Maybe the exhaust I'm gonna use Tome exhaust coming soon. And lastly, I'm gonna put in the EXN oil. Need to give you all that EXN is a very good oil. I didn't say other company oil no good, but I'm gonna prove to you all. After done this car, rebuild everything, gonna put in this oil and let's go tune and see EXN. So let's see recently what car they are doing right now. Original EK EG. This one is a K20. This E5 K20
K20.
K-tune fuel rail, K-tune intake. Last time he told me don't use this type of intake like this tajam one. But now he always keep using for my B series and then he used this type of tajam intake. He asked me don't use. He asked me use my cousin intake, which is the Victor Edelbrock Victor. Because my cousin name Victor Edelbrock Volkswagen. Let's go see beside they still doing what car recently. Oh, okay. This is Win Motorsport, our drag car. It's an Evo engine inside, Evo 3 engine. Okay, this horsepower I think is a secret, but I tell you all guys, almost 600. See the rim, see the tire. Drag purpose only, but he's still street driving. This one is also drag. This one is a DB8 is it? So I'm gonna show you all this car. This is also one of our friends Skyline. Very nice. Woohoo! Secret project. Cannot show you all too many. Let's go and see the back of this car. Of course, GT wing. It's a white body. Don't play. Don't play with this car. Okay, let's close it back. Enough for today. So that's all for today's video, guys. Okay, remember, support my wishlist project, t-shirt, merchandise, cap. Okay, let's join wishlist project together so I can do more video, more vlog about my ER34 for you all. Remember, outside very hot, the sun is very lightning. Very lightning. Okay, your eyes also pain, so eat more water and stay vibrate. Ciao.